everyone for being here. Everyone said a lot. Thank you, Janvi, for contributing so much to the film, right from the script to everything, to the edit, to the trailers. You know, I don't remember the last time कि हमने ट्रेलर रिलीज किया हो और इतने सारे कमेंट्स स्कोर पे आ रहे हैं, बैकग्राउंड स्कोर पे. थैंक यू शाश्वत. You've done such an amazing job on the score. The music is so fresh, it's so versatile, बहुत relatable है. So many beautiful songs. You know, Sudhanshu, what can I say? The less I say, it's better. Thank you, Roshan, for agreeing to do the film, and you know, thank you for being here. And Joel, what can I? I'm such a fan. I was making a video, and we're so proud of the film. You know, I hope that you all like it. हम सोच रहे थे कल. I mean, you know, I don't know whether I should say this. कि हम ना lights बंद करके picture ही दिखा देते हैं. We're feeling so happy. We can't wait for you to watch the film. We really were like, you know, let's show the film. Let's do a surprise. Will people have 2 hours, 10 minutes to watch the film? Rohan, you were saying it too. And thank you, Sony Music, for, you know, being such good partners. And yeah, over to all of you. And over to all of you, really, thank you for supporting the film. We really need it. It's a very, very exciting time for us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amrita, for being at the helm of affairs. At this point, for our friends from the media, the mics will magically appear, of course, as always. If you have a question, you can raise your hand and a mic will come to you.
For films like Razi, Dr. G and Badai Ho, what motivated to back Ulaj? What was different about this film?
We thought it was so well written. सबसे पहले, and it's such a fresh story, you know, set in a very fresh world. What we see today is that audiences want to see something different and relatable. And like Janvi said, you're never going to guess कि फिल्म में क्या हो रहा है. The director was very clear जब हम ट्रेलर काट रहे थे कि, you know, no one should know. I was like, no one's going to know. Even when you're watching the film, it's just such an exciting ride that what, you know, unravels. Very well written, we had thought at the time, even though I don't want to oversell it. Such a strong female protagonist. I'm so glad she doesn't want me to say this. Everyone's outdone themselves, and we're just so happy to have, you know, made this, and that we're releasing in theaters. Really excited about that as well. And thank you, Sudhanshu.
No, thank you. I mean, if I had my way, trailer would have been a black screen just as Ulaj.
कुछ reveal मत करो, कुछ reveal मत करो.
I was like, कपड़े मत दिखाओ, look मत बताओ, कुछ मत करो. But we made a trailer. I'm very happy the way it has intrigued everyone. And again, the music is such a standout. Rohit, thank you so much for spotting Aaja Hoye and bullying us into playing it.
Thank you so much. Can we have the next question, please?
Hi, my question is to Janvi Kapoor. Sameer.
In your voice. तो आपने 2 बार जिक्र किया कि there is a shock value in the song, you know. तो in fact it's very interesting that शौकन में भी shock word आता है. तो I would like you to, you know, just elaborate a little more कि इसमें shock value क्या है.
So there are 2 different songs. One is Shaukan, which is very pop. It's a dance song. You can listen to it in the club. You can listen to it as a Gen Z, as a millennial, or you know. But मुझे लगता है कि गाने कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो हमसे ज़्यादा भी जी जाते हैं. हमारे जाने के बाद भी लोग उन गानों को सुनते हैं. So थोड़ा गलत एक ऐसा गाना है जो उसी गाने का एक ऐसा इंटरप्रिटेशन है that you can listen to not in a club, not in your cars, but when you're alone, when actually listening to music for yourself. And that's why it's very, very special. How एक गाना किस तरह से 2 रूप ले लेता है. It's like a double role. 2 इतने अलग गाने, but at the same time दोनों का heart is same, and we have the heart sitting here. Thank you.
Thank you, Chaitanya sir, for that lovely question. We're going to move on to our next because we are a little short on time. Our next question, please.
Hey, hi. आपको स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहिए था मुझे. But Janvi, we have seen spy thrillers, you know, in the past as well, and Jungly Pictures has been known for it. If we talk about Alia Bhatt's Razi, what is that special about Ulaj? You know, and we saw the trailer. It's, you know, it's a lot of secrets, a lot of details which has gone into it. So if you have to talk about your role and about Ulaj, what is that special about it?
I think that it's a lot more than just a spy thriller. I think for me, it's so many things, especially because I feel so strongly about the character of Suhana. I feel it's a very different character for me. I think आप लोगों ने मेरी पिछली फिल्मों में देखा होगा कि मैं अक्सर बेचारी सी मतलब मासूम सी खोई हुई लड़की का किरदार निभाती हूँ, लेकिन सुहाना ऐसी बिल्कुल नहीं है, मेरे से बहुत अलग है, बिल्कुल अबला नारी नहीं है। एंड या आई थिंक वो एक चीज़ मेरे लिए बहुत एक्साइटिंग थी। और जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा था, जब मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रही थी, जो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था, जैसे कि आप सब लोग शायद एक्सपेक्ट करते हो एक स्पाई थ्रिलर से, वो सारी चीज़ें, ये फिल्म उन सारी चीज़ों से कई ज़्यादा है। आई थिंक इट्स अ कमिंग ऑफ एज, आई थिंक इट्स इमोशनल, आई थिंक इट्स थ्रिलिंग एंड एंटरटेनिंग ऑफ कोर्स, बट I think it's also about a woman's journey in a man's world. It's about, and it's really not just about my character. I think each character has such a specific arc. Roshan's character, Sebin, his baggage, Gulshan's character, I think everything is so well-rounded, and I like what the film is saying and how it's saying it. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
मैम बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने, और शिखू का रिएक्शन बिल्कुल था। उन्होंने गाना सबसे पहले सुना था, एंड शाह जो कह रहे हैं ये गाना सिर्फ जेनेरिक किसी के लिए नहीं बना है, उन्होंने उलझ के लिए तो बनाया ही है, पर वो जानवी को दिमाग में रख के कंपोज करते थे। तो 1.5 साल से ये जो जर्नी चली है, स्पेसिफिकली इनके लिए चली है। हर गाने में आपका प्रेजेंस, व्हिच इज नॉट रॉन्ग एक्चुअली।
Well, thank you so much. I think everyone has had a great reaction to this track. I'm going to move on to the next question. Last question, unfortunately.
My question is for Roshan. Here.
I'm so sorry, I haven't spoken to you.
Roshan here.
Oh, hi.
Roshan, we've seen your work. You are a versatile actor. Here also, I think, if I'm not wrong, this is your 4th project in Hindi, and here also you have maintained this stand that you are doing different kind of work. So what was so special about this movie that you chose to do it?
It's actually easy, ma'am. When I'm primarily doing my work in Malayalam, I know that unless it's an unmissable opportunity, I have no reason to leave Malayalam and come here and do a film. So for me, the combination of story, character, and the people who are involved in it has to be so exciting that I feel ये तो नहीं छोड़ सकता, मैं करना ही पड़ेगा. So it actually makes your decision making a lot easier. So I've been, I think, extremely fortunate with the kind of work that's been offered to me also. Any actor can only pick out the choices that they have been given. No? So that way I've been very fortunate, and then this is my mindset. जो मेरे को कहीं और नहीं मिलेगा, वो यहाँ पे मिलेगा, तो मैं आगे करूँगा, नहीं तो आने का कोई reason ही नहीं है. And I'm so sorry, I know we're running late on time. I just want to take the liberty to take a few more moments and just say, usually when we do these, today is more about you guys, about Shashwat, about Jubin, Rohan, so your entire team at Sony, and everyone else who's brought the music alive. And usually when we do promotional activities for a film, for us who are part of the team, everything that happens on stage, everything that's said on stage is repeated. We already know the stories. This was, I think, probably one of the few times when everything that happened here has happened to me for the first time. I hadn't heard any of the other songs.
Same for us.
And I am so overwhelmed, and I have to take this opportunity to say that I've constantly been in touch with the team at Junglee after the shoot as the film was evolving. And there was a very marked difference in the energy level of everyone who spoke to me after you did your work on the film, sir.
Wow.
Last question is for Shubhanshu sir. Sir, Inman.
So sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. So we are really short on time. Ma'am, I'm really sorry.
Janvi ji, on your left hand.
Janvi ji, you know what? Janvi ji, you can take that last question, and you can also end the proceedings for us at the answer of that. Will that be a good deal? Yeah? Good? कौन है जानवी जी? अरे आप ये सब पूछिए।
जानवी जी, जिस तरह से आपकी एक फिल्म थिएटर में आती है और दूसरी फिल्म का अनाउंसमेंट हो जाता है, तो क्या आप भी ऐसा मानती या हम ऐसा माने कि आपके जितने भी कंटेम्प्रेरी एक्टर हैं, आप उन सबको एक दिन खा जाने वाली हैं?
वाह!
ऐसा कोई इरादा नहीं है और ऐसा कोई थॉट भी नहीं है। मैं बस सिर नीचे रख के खुद का काम करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ।
और जब आप कहीं भी उलझ जाती है, तो उस उलझन से बाहर कैसे निकलती है? किसकी राय
सर, मैं सोचती हूँ कि इस सिचुएशन में अरुण क्या करता और मैं
क्या बात है?
Guys, also before we end things,